How do male porn stars stay hard for so long? That's exactly what I'm going to be sharing in this video. 3 secrets that male porn stars use to stay hard for a very long time. First up, if you find this video helpful, in the bottom right hand corner, you will see a button that says subscribe. Click on that button so that you can get the latest videos and tools to overcome performance anxiety. Okay, so let's jump straight into this. Now, why did I say for a very long time? Because the average shoot for a porn movie is anything from between 3 to 22 hours, with the average coming in at 10 hours. 10 hours. How on earth is a guy maintaining an erection on and off for 10 hours? Let's jump into these secrets. So the first one will not come as a surprise. It's Viagra and Cialis is commonly used by most of the male performers in the porn industry. Now, there's been a couple of scary stories that have led to what happens when you're having to take Viagra and Cialis to last for a period of 10 or up to 22 hours, right? It's more than entering dangerous territory. So I'm going to share a couple of stories that have happened to male porn stars around that. Second secret was injections. That's right, injections. Directly injecting into the dick, because that, let's call it boost or medication, works faster than taking a pill. And so many porn stars are also, male porn stars, are putting injections into the dick, and that's how they're staying hard. The last one, and this, I think these progress in extremes, to be honest with you, surgery. So this was at the extreme end of the spectrum, but some male porn stars have resorted to surgery, getting an implant, a pump implant in their dick, which is irreversible. And so it means that they can just be hard continuously whenever they want to, which sounds great, right? But it's not. It's not great, the fact that it's irreversible, and it means that a natural erection is never possible again. There was a fourth one that is something that sounds good, that we can all work towards, which is working out. Most of the male porn stars spoke about how working out was a really important part of their day and getting exercise each day. So that's something that we should be doing, because it, of course, promotes healthy blood flow. Even if it's getting out for a walk for 20 minutes a day, this is still better than just sitting in the same place all day long. So what were those stories that I mentioned? Well, what happens when filming for 10 hours, for 15 hours? What happens when, how many pills have to be taken, right, for that to work? And that's where it is crossing into, more than crossing into danger territory. And just 2 of the stories that I'm going to share were of male porn stars that basically had to continue taking the pills to stay hard and ended up with an erection that lasted way longer than 4 hours. For one of them, it lasted for 12 hours. Anything over 4 hours is where it becomes dangerous, because the tissue in the penis can start getting destroyed, and it means that a natural erection may never be possible again. All right, that's right. A natural erection may never be possible again with taking too many pills, Viagra, Cialis. Of course, we want to avoid that. So if you are listening to this video and you're thinking, shit, I do not want to be going down that route, or I do not want to be creating a dependency on pills because I don't want to have to then start injecting myself, or I don't want to never be able to have a natural erection ever again, then you're in the right place to get this sorted. The first step is understanding, is this performance anxiety or is it something else? To answer that question, I've developed what I call the performance anxiety quiz. This is 10 yes or no questions that you answer. You will then see your score and answer that question. It will show you the answer. Is this performance anxiety or is it something else? So if you want that clarity, if you want to get to the bottom of what's going on and then ultimately get this sorted so that you can stay hard during sex, avoid embarrassing situations in the bedroom and feel normal again, then the next step now is to take the free performance anxiety quiz. In the comments below, you'll see the link to the quiz. Click on the link. It will take you straight to the first page where you can answer those 10 questions, and I'll see you there.